Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a custom recovery mode on your Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. If you'd like to install custom recovery, which means the recovery mode is unofficial, made by users, and has some different options, more options, lets you, for example, later on install custom ROM, which is impossible with the stock recovery mode, then you can do it by watching this video. And at first, we will need to unlock the bootloader, so we'll do it real quick. If you want a more detailed guide, then you can watch a different video on the channel, but if you are careful, you will be able to follow this, what I'm doing right now. So let's go to the settings, let's go to About Phone, and go to Software Information. Now click on build number 7 times. If you have a screen lock, enter it, then go back and go to developer options. Now enable OEM unlocking. If you don't see this option, you are not connected to internet, so connect to internet, restart your phone, and go back to developer options. Now let's click on enable and shut our phone down. To do it, press and hold on power and volume down, then power off and power off. And now our phone is off. Let's unplug it from the cable, but keep your cable handy and make sure it's already plugged into the computer because it'll be needed as a sort of protection. So now we'll need to start pressing and holding volume up and volume down, then plug in the USB-C cable. If nothing shows up on the screen, then also start pressing and holding the power button, and once something shows up, release all the buttons. Now press and hold on volume up. Once the screen goes off, release the button, and now it says unlock bootloader. If it says that, click on volume up. Now it'll reset your phone, so it'll take a moment. Press on power key and wait a moment for the phone to reset. After a moment, it'll ask you to press on the power key again. And it'll be going in the process, of course, all the time, so let's just wait for it. You can unplug the cable if you want for now, and let's go to the computer. Now we'll be getting to the actual important part. So in the description down below, there is a link to the files for your phone if you have the G990B2 model, because the model, like the S21 FE, is the marketing name, but there may be several different revisions of the model. If you have a different revision, then you may need to install, you may need to search for a different file on the internet, but if you have the same one, then you can find it in the description down below and just download it. But remember, I'll show you in a moment how to check your model if you don't know how to check it. I just need my phone to be on. Now you can see there are 2 files here in the description, in the link in the description. We will be using custom recovery, and we just have 2 files here. This is the TWRP. Of course, there are different versions of the custom recovery. So you can select whichever one you like off the internet, but if you want to install the same one as us, then you can just download it from the description down below, and we'll be using that. Now we'll need to download a few files from our website as well, so let's go to the browser and go to HardReset.Info, then go to download here. If there's an ad, just close it. Let's click on download, go to Samsung drivers and download them. Okay. Oh, I clicked on an ad. Yeah, let's start downloading it by clicking on this download button. Another thing from our website is Odin, so search for Odin. Now Odin 3.14.4, click on download and click on download here, and we'll be getting to these files in a moment. I'll just connect to Wi-Fi on the phone real quick. Yeah. And now in the downloads, you'll most likely have the 7-zip file and the RAR file. Yeah, no, sorry, it's also 7-zip. So if you if you can't extract it by right-clicking and clicking on Extract All, then download a WinRAR, which you can get at win-rar.com. Just download it here, and now once you install it, you will be able to unpack these archives. Also, the archive that you download with the files for the custom recovery. Also, it can be unpacked by right-clicking, going to WinRAR, Extract To, and it's gonna extract it into a folder. Let's do it both for all of the files for the Samsung USB driver, for Odin, and also for the firmware for the recovery. Now let's go to Samsung USB drivers, double click here, go through the installation and restart your computer. It is super important that you restart your computer after that, and once it's done you can go to Odin, go into that, open the file, click on OK, and now let's have that program opened. I'll just wait a moment until the phone sets up. I'll show you how to check the modal to make sure that you can get the file that we publish, and if you cannot, then you'll need to search for your own one on the internet. There's lots of different files out there, so don't worry about it. And we'll be getting to how to do everything. Okay, so my phone is set up. It is connected to Wi-Fi. It is quite important. Let's go to the settings. Let's go to About Phone, and first let's check the model. We can see it is the SMG990B2, so I can download it. If you have a different model, you will need to search for your own custom recovery files on the internet. Now let's go to software information, click on build number 7 times, go back to developer mode now, and then find OEM unlocking. Make sure it's enabled and grayed out. It'll mean that your bootloader is unlocked and we can begin. Now what you'll need to do is to shut your phone down, so press and hold on power and volume down, tap on power off and power off. Let's unplug the cable, and we'll be doing a similar thing to the one that we did for the bootloader, but a little bit different, so make sure that you follow it again exactly. Unplug the cable, press and hold on volume up and volume down, plug in the cable that's already connected to the computer, and if nothing shows up on the screen again, press and hold on the power button, and when something shows up, release these keys and then shortly press on volume up, just shortly. If the connection is established, you'll see this blue rectangle in Odin, so you can now begin. In AP, we'll need to click on AP, go to our file, which is going to be somewhere here. Yeah, it's here. Custom recovery. Okay, and I'm gonna load the TWRP. Now also for user data, we'll need to load vBeta disabled, so it doesn't load any protection features. It is also important. Also go to options and make sure to unselect all these options here. And now let's click on start. It is super also important that you do the options, that you disable these options, because if you don't, then it'll fail. So now what we'll need to do, keep the cable plugged in, and we'll need to press and hold on power and volume down until the screen goes off, and once it does, move your finger from volume down to volume up quickly and keep on holding until you get to recovery screen. So let's do it. Power and volume down. Let's keep holding them until the screen goes off. Now let's move to power and volume up. The phone should turn on shortly. Yes. Now release the power button, keep on holding the volume up. If this screen doesn't go off, shortly release and press again the volume up. Just do it really quickly. You can see it says the phone's not running Samsung's official software, so we are there. And yeah, it works, as you can see. So now the last thing to do is to calibrate it. Go to wipe, go to format data, type in yes, approve, wait for a moment, go back, advanced wipe, You can wipe everything here, swipe to wipe, back, 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 and you can click on reboot and reboot into system or power off or reboot into recovery, whatever. That's done. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.